Hello everyone, welcome back to RareChem Official. This video is about Lothar Meyer curve. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Without delay, let's get started. Lothar Meyer is a German physicist. He has interested in both chemistry and physics. In 1868, he gave a law that is Lothar Meyer curve. According to Lothar Meyer, the graph between atomic volume and atomic weight, and observe that similar properties of elements occupied similar position in the curve. Alkali metals like lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium and cesium occupied in peak position. In descending position, alkaline earth metals beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium occupied in similar position. In ascending position, halogens occupied similar positions: fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. In bottom part, all D block elements are occupied. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.